Math minutes! Woo! Good morning, Laverne High School. I know you're very sad not to see Miss Harris. She is the Math Minute extraordinaire. However, Coach Jones and I thought we would give her a small break and do this Thursdays just to see if we could do Math Minutes, because why not do Math Minutes? Coach Jones, do you want to tell the school why math is important?
Math is so, first of all, I'm Coach Jones, and I wish Miss Harris was here. Math is extremely important. And this might look like simple math we're about to see, like maybe you did in 6th grade, but it's applicable to what you're doing today, even in math
quantifies the world around us. Okay.
Are there lenses in those?
Shh. These are my nerd glasses, and I wear them proudly.
You do. All right, so we're going to show you some problems here, 2 problems to be specific, and you're going to have 30 seconds to do them yourself. And then Coach Jones, who's a history teacher, but today I'm a math teacher, is going to show you how to properly do these correctly. All right, so I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do these 2 problems right here, simplify them. And we're going to start the 30 seconds right now. Okay, Laverne students, let's see if you did this properly. First, I'm going to put a square around all of my terms here. And notice I included the symbol in front of them so I can see if they're positive or negative. Then, I'm going to combine my like terms. So if I do that, we're going to have 3x minus 2x and 12, positive 12, plus 5. Y'all with me so far? All right, good. Now we're going to combine them. So 3x minus 2x is 1x, or x, and 12 plus 5 is 17. So the simplified answer is x plus 17. Everybody got that? All right, now we're gonna go to the second problem, all right? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna look at order of operations. We gotta do what's in the parentheses, right? Correct. I have a problem with the parentheses though, right? They're not what? Like terms, all right, good. So we're gonna distribute this 2 amongst the 6x and the negative 7. So that'll give us 12x minus positive 2 times negative 7 is 14 plus 8x. Now what can we do? Combine like terms. So we're going to have 12x plus 8x minus 14. And that's going to give us what? 20x minus 14. 20x minus 14. And we've simplified both these problems. Hopefully you got it right, just like I taught you.
That was beautiful, Coach Jones. Thank you for the visuals. That was very clear.
You're welcome. Do you need any help on these next problems?
I don't need any help. Thank you very much.
Okay.
You and your bow tie, go ahead.
X. There we go. All right. Let's see what you got, Miss Fitz.
First, I'm going to give you all 30 seconds to try this on your own. verify the first expression, we must use order of operations. When I was in school, they taught PEMDAS. Okay, so we have some parentheses. Inside the parentheses, oh my goodness, like Coach Jones said, these are not like terms, so we're going to have to distribute the -4. So -4 times -7, a negative times a negative is positive 28. -4 times the positive 5x is negative 20x. Bring down the rest, plus 10. All right, like terms, we can combine the things that don't have x's. I'm gonna make an analogy here. This is like Xbox and PlayStation. I don't think they're compatible, but I could be wrong. So 28 plus 10 is 38. Bring down minus 20x. Is that what y'all got? Okay. Next one. Ta-da! Oh, this looks so exciting. Okay, this is just absolutely beautiful. So let's start by combining our numbers only. We have a -8 minus 12, which is the same as -8 plus -12, which would be -20. And then we have 9x plus 6x, which is 15x. That was so much fun! Let's do math all day! If you got these problems correct, please give yourself an imaginary gold star. Students, make sure you tune in during Wolverine time to do the quizzes. This might be the most important quizzes of your entire life. Remember, the winner of the quizzes will receive a $5 voucher to the El Cafe. And I don't know, maybe Coach Jones and I will give you an extra $5 voucher for the El Cafe just because it was our week.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Also, students, don't forget in your math classes to show your work and not just put the answer down.
Oh my goodness, we have announcements, we have class to do. They just want this to be short, but really this is actually extremely important. Please ask your teacher if you have any questions.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, LHS. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, March 9th, 2023. It's Ms. Barnes here with your morning announcements. We only have 3 announcements for today, but of course, before we get to that, I want to give you your word of encouragement. Your word of encouragement for today is stay in your lane. As simple as that may sound, let me explain. While I was on my way to work, of course, coffee in hand, driving with the other, I don't recommend that, but sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. A car was veering into my lane, which made me very upset because why are you in my lane? All right. And so I want to encourage you, stay in your lane. Oftentimes we can insert ourselves in situations that really don't involve us, or sometimes we can give our opinion when it wasn't asked for, and sometimes it can rub people the wrong way. So I want to challenge you today. This is a maturity piece. Stay in your lane. It is okay to stay in your lane. When you're in your lane, there's a safety guideline in between there so that you don't offend the other person and that you don't get hurt as well. So that's your encouragement for today. Stay in your lane. All right, so our 3 announcements for today. This one's from Beta Club. The deadline to pay Beta fees is Tuesday, March 14th. If you received an invitation or are interested in joining, please complete your application and pay your dues by then. See Ms. Greenberg in B211 with any questions. Our next one is Interact Club. Interact Club will be meeting on Thursday, March 9th, today, at 3:45 in the Glass House. If you are interested in joining the club that gives back to our community and puts service above self, we would love to have you join us. You will need a ride to pick you up by 4:15 p.m. today. And then our next one is from Ms. V. Willis. This one is pertaining to seniors. Again, seniors, this is your year, it's your time, and this announcement is for you. There are exactly 66 days until graduation. That's right, I said 66 days. Caps and gowns will be delivered on April 13th. You must have a 0 balance in order to pick yours up. That means lunch, any books that are due, you have to have a 0 balance in order to pick up your cap and gown. You may see Ms. V. Willis in A204 to check your balance. If you have any graduation questions, please go see Ms. V. Willis. Also, seniors, remember, You have to have 23 credits, the required 23 credits to graduate. If you know that you're behind on some classes, make sure you're utilizing your Wolverine time, going to tutoring, staying after school, getting some help, okay? We want to see you walk across the stage in May. That is all for your morning announcements. Remember, it's always a great day to be a Wolverine. And lastly, remember that you are loved and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. And we'll see you in the halls.